Welcome to RBO. Today you guys are going over the small mason jar survival kit. Pretty much a small mason jar with a survival kit in it. Very simple. Everyone has them in their basement. The majority of us have them in our basement. Right on top we have a signal whistle with a keychain loop. We got this mustard packet for a little nutrient boost. We have some yarn twine for your cordage, as well as some snare wire. We have a single packet of vitamin C boost, as well as 3 stormproof matches, the striker. Here's a striker, that's always at the bottom. Here's the ferrocerium rod, part of the Light My Fire fire starting kit, as well as a mini Bic lighter. For navigation, just have a basic button compass. We also have some aluminum foil for cooking, or for even starting fires on a nice moist floor. Throw that down, have a nice dry environment, and start your fire. For cutting, we have the basic Swiss Army knife. We have our blades, large blade or small blade, as well as our can opener and our bottle opener and our screwdriver, corkscrew, even an awl, and our toothpick and our tweezers. For water purification, we have some tablets, after some duct tape, fire starting, gear repair. We also have 2 water activated towelettes, mostly for hygiene, but they can also be used for water filtration or first aid. Here's the striker for the ferro rod. And right at the bottom, we have our water containment bag, which is a freezer bag. Yeah, that's the kit, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, what you guys would do differently. Have a nice day, and thank you guys for watching.